Good morning, dear students. Let's answer some questions. Can you say what do you mean by history? History means study of past. Can you say invention of what make our travel easier? Invention of wheel. Seeing the picture, can you say humans have discovered the fire? By rubbing the stones. The period of time when the information cannot be written in the form of texts, this period is called prehistory. Okay. We learn about this period by studying the tools the people used or built at during that time. Also from the buildings they live in and the caves. Okay. Let's proceed for next concept. When earlier humans began to read, write, they began to write stories of kings and famous peoples, how they live and important events of their life. This is called as history. Okay. The India has three different times of history, period of history, that is ancient history, medieval history and modern history. Now our today's topic is all about is ancient Indian history. Okay, our today's topic is what? Ancient. Write down please. Ancient India. Write down. Okay. Our today's topic is ancient India. During the ancient period in India, people began to lead settled lives among the river banks. The towns and cities began to shaping up. The people may start trading and practice other occupations also. This is the first civilization starting to settle up in India. Okay. This is mainly started near the river Indus. So this is otherwise called Indus Valley Civilization or Harappa Civilization. Okay. Our next concept is Indus Valley Civilization. Let's learn more about this. Main cities and how they live and what's the tools they use and arts etc. Let's start our next concept, that is Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization. Let's start. Indus Valley Civilization existed before thousands of years ago. It is named so because it is mainly developed during the river banks of Indus River. Okay. In where? In northwest India and Pakistan. Its major cities are, so this, write down please. So Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Chandudaro. These are situated mainly in Pakistan. And three cities of India are Kalibangan, Dholavira, and Lothal. Where these are in India, situated in India. Okay, understood? These are main cities of during that time. Let's start how they live and cities are how they settled, so that we can say this is a proper developed civilization. Okay, let's start. Our next concept is towns and cities. Let's start. Let's write down. Towns and cities. Okay. Our current concept is towns and cities. How towns and cities are planned. Okay. This those time also the towns and cities are planned so remarkably and efficient, so that the cleanliness, they maintain cleanliness and hygiene. Okay, roads are so broad and straight. The roads are straight also, not only broad but also straight as well. Okay, the roads are covered with fire bricks and houses also made with fire bricks. Okay, how can you can see, so these are so developed na, although they are early humans, they are so developed. Same, they make thousands years, we are talking about the period of thousands years ago. Although thousands years ago they covered the roads with streets with the fire bricks and make their houses with same. Okay, so they are obviously very civilized. The cities had proper drainage system. We can say the drainage systems are great. The important buildings we found in such cities are proves this thought. Okay, the important buildings are we found such as a great bath, GRATBATS, great bath, and a granary, granary, a granary, and a dockyard, a dockyard, a dockyard. This says how they developed. Okay, these things they use in their cities. Okay, we found this during the honor than the ancient cities. The houses were made up of fire bricks. Okay, mud bricks. Bathrooms and bathrooms had good drainage systems. I have already discussed. Our next concept is trade. Okay, how they trade with other countries or other places at that time. Archaeologists find many well furnished seals in Mohenjo-daro. Also they found bullock carts and rafts in these civilizations. Okay, we get proof that there are maritime routes with the Mesopotamia, and also there are many land trades with the Iran to at that time Persia or Afghanistan as well. Okay, this is how we get proof about what they trading with other places. Okay, let's proceed to our next concept, that is art. Our next concept is art. Okay, people are at that time are so skilled. They make terracotta figures at that time. The famous figure, bronze figure of dancing girl are found in that civilization, proves how they are skilled in terms of arts. Okay, you can see in the picture. Many seals are also have pictures, but we can't able to understand the language of that time, so that we most of the scriptures are still the uncovered and ununderstandable by the today's time people. Okay, after the Harappa civilization, this or this Indus Valley civilization, there is another time come that which is called Vedic time. Okay, this is end of our class. Let's understood the lesson. Okay, what we read today? We read today how the civilization start in this Indus Valley Bank. After that, we read that how they live and cities and towns developed. Okay, after that we read about the tools they use and the art, the pictures they perform. Okay, art and pictures they perform. After that we get the lesson that after the Indus Valley civilization time, there is a time called Vedic time, where the Vedas are written. Okay, now if you understood the lesson, today's lesson well, please reply. The answers are provided in the description box, and if you like the video, share with others and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.